Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Talk. Today we are going to discuss about the Windows virtualization feature called Hyper-V. So first we'll discuss about how to check if the Hyper-V is available on your system. Then we'll try to install Hyper-V on the client edition of the Windows, like Enterprise and Professionals. Those are the client edition of Windows, and we'll try to install the Hyper-V on the Windows Server editions like Windows Data Center, Server Data Center, and Server Standards are those are the Windows Server editions. So let's start with how to check the Hyper-V is available in your system. So for that, we have to open one command prompt and then just type system info on the command prompt. After some time, you will see a lot of data on the command prompt. Just scroll down at the bottom and look for the Hyper-V requirements. Okay, if it is display like hypervisor has been detected, means your system is supporting to the Hyper-V. So you can enable Hyper-V and create a virtual machine on this system. But in certain devices, or this option, when you run the system info, you will see no here. That means that system that option is not available or it's not enabled from system BIOS. So uh, if you see no right in your Hyper-V system, Hyper-V requirements, follow the below steps. Like once uh, if you reboot the system and go to the BIOS and look for the option something like Intel VTX or Intel Virtualization Technology or AMD V or VMX or similar options in the BIOS. You will find these options under processor or chipset category. So sorry, they are looking. There will be an advanced step. Once you enable the those options and reboot the save and reboot the systems or restart the systems, and once you upon returning back to the Windows, you will able to access the Hyper-V features into the Windows. If the options not enable virtualization option is not available in the BIOS, so your computer is probably does not support these features. So in that case, you cannot use the Windows Hyper-V features on your systems. So uh, for my system, like so, I am able to see this message on the Hyper-V requirement saying hypervisor has detected, means it is supported. So my current systems is server editions. So let's start how to enable the Hyper-V into the Windows Server editions. So to that, there are a couple of ways to do it by using UI on by using the PowerShell command. So let's start first with the UI, how to enable the Hyper-V in the Windows Server. So first click on the Start menu uh, and sorry, in the search bar and type the Server Manager. Okay. So once you click on the Server Manager, you will see this window will pop up on. Right. So in this window, you see Add Roles and Feature Ops. So click on that and click Next. And click Next. Next. And here, if you see you can see the Hyper-V. This is unchecked. So just check that options and say Add Features. And say Next. And say Next. Next. And this is the Ethernet. Just check it and then Next. Next. And then install. So by the time it is installing, I'm going to pause my video. Uh, Once installation is done, I'll get back and then I'll come back and show you. So uh, like it will take a little while and then it will ask for the restart of the systems. So let me show that options. Then I'll pause the video and then once it back, then I'll show you the Hyper-V features successfully enabled in the system. Yeah, so now actually this progress bar is completed. Now it's waiting for the restart the systems. So I'm pausing it and I'll come back again. Okay, now system is back and then if you can server managers after reboot, server managers will automatically open and you can see the Hyper-V tile here. That means your system Hyper is installed on your systems. Okay, so if it is installed, then again you can verify by typing Hyper-V here on the search bar, and as you can see here Hyper-V manager management tool. So by seeing you can create your new VMs using that. So in this way you can verify. The other way is just go to the server manager and open the tools. There you'll find Hyper-V manager. Click on that. That also bring you here. So this is how you can install the Hyper-V on the server manager using UI. Now I'll going to explain like how to install Hyper-V on server manager using a PowerShell command. Okay, let's start how to install Hyper-V on Windows Server using a PowerShell. So open the PowerShell window as administrator. Once PowerShell is open, just type this command like install Windows feature, name Hyper-V, and include all sub features and include management tools, and then press enter. So it will start installing the Hyper-V feature on your system. It will take a while, just wait for some time. So once this feature is enabled, it will ask for a restart the machine. Once you reboot the machine, you'll be able to see the Hyper-V features on your systems. So during the restart, I'll pause my video and I'll come back again. Yes, so this feature is completed. Now let's restart the systems. So here it is a restart needed. Yes. So after restart only you're able to use this system. So first we have to restart the system. Okay, so I'm pausing my video and I'll come back again. Yeah, we are back from the restart and you can see the Hyper-V tile on the server manager. That means the Hyper is installed on your systems. Now you can verify by typing Hyper-V on the search menu. You can see the Hyper-V manager. Just click on it and then you can create a new VM virtual machines by clicking right click and new virtual machines. The other way to verify is go to the server manager tools tab and then click on the Hyper-V manager. So this is how you can install Hyper-V on the server manager using a UI and PowerShell. Now let's move on to the next topic, how to install the Hyper-V on the Windows client machine using UI and the PowerShell. So on the Windows client machine, if you want to enable Hyper-V, go to the search bar and type turn Windows features on and on or off. So just click on that one. You will get one pop-up where you see the Hyper-V. just check that part and say okay. So now it is installed and asking for reboot. So I'll pause the video and come back again. Now system is rebooted. Let's check the Hyper-V is installed on its systems. So just go to search bar and type Hyper-V, and you can see the Hyper-V manager on top. Just click on the Hyper-V manager, open it. Yes, now you can see that it's installed now. Right click on this and then you can create new virtual machines. This is how you can install Hyper-V on the Windows client machine like Enterprise Professional using the UI. Now I'll explain you how to install the Hyper-V on the Windows client machine using the PowerShell. Now to install the Hyper-V on the machine using the PowerShell, just click on the search bar, type PowerShell, open the PowerShell as run as administrator, type this command and press enter. So when you type this command and press enter, after some time it will ask for the reboot. Just press yes and system will reboot. I'll get back after the reboot. Now system is rebooted. Let's check Hyper-V's install on system. So go to the search bar, type Hyper-V, and you'll see the Hyper-V manager. Click on it, open the Hyper-V manager, and then right click and create a new virtual machine. So in this way you can create a virtual machines uh, using Hyper-V and for the Windows Server and the client editions. Thanks for watching.